Hello, Flourish Food family. It is fantastic to have you back at Flourish Food Academy, where we help your coding skills flourish and grow. If this is your first time here, a big welcome to the community. We are thrilled to have you join us. In today's adventure, we're exploring something super cool: formatted strings. This special tool helps you make your code cleaner and more fun. Whether you're just starting out or you've been coding for a while, learning how to use formatted strings will make your coding life easier. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. That way you'll always be up to date with our latest tips and tutorials. Ready to see how formatted strings can make coding a breeze? Let's jump right in. Imagine you're planning a super fun birthday party and need to send out invitations. Instead of writing each invitation from scratch, wouldn't it be awesome to have a quick and easy way to do it? With Python, formatted strings are like having templates. Formatted strings are like having a magic template that fills in the details for you. It's as simple as writing a special note and letting Python do the rest. Here is how it works. So I'll declare a variable guest name, and then I'll say flourish. My bad. Then I'll create another message, invitation, to send out our invitation. So Flourish is the name of our guests coming to our birthday party, and then the message that I will send to I guest me. In a minute, I will explain what I'm doing. Just need to fill out this message. Right. And then I'll print. I always forget to add the print function. Invitation. And yes. So in this code, guest name is like a blank space on our invitation. By using F before the quotes, that's this. F before the quotes. We are telling Python, by using F before the quotes, we tell Python we are creating a formatted string. Inside the curly braces, which is this, we put guest name. Python then fills in the guest name for us. Now, I'll execute this to show you. As you can see, Python has filled in Flourish for us. We did not have to input Flourish into this place. Python did that for us. Now let me use the input function to show you an example. So I just cut this off and do make sure that we say guest name. We execute this file. Okay. Let's just say Flourish. Next person will be. And as you can see, it says, "I Flourish, you're invited to my birthday party." That's how beautiful formatted string work. One more example. We would code this message at age 10. So let's say, since it is a number, let's say 18, 28. You say I guest name and turn name age. Well, since we're okay, that's my bad. So let's just use 10. Okay, I'm 10 and you're invited to my birthday party. Now, obviously, we can't receive our age from our guest, but we can receive our guest name. Yes. So let's say David. And as you can see, it says, "Hi David, I'm turning 10 and you're invited to my birthday party." And that is it. That is how easy it is. It is formatted strings. And guest name and age are like magic words or placeholders that makes the message personal and special. This is a fantastic way to make a lot of invitations quickly and easy. Why not try making your own birthday invitations? Change the name and age to see how it works. This is a fun way to practice using formatted strings. And that is a wrap on our birthday party invitations with formatted strings. I hope you had fun learning how to create special messages. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next adventure. See you in the next video.